Insects across the globe adorn themselves with natural accessories for protection and camouflage. Honeybees gather pollen that clings to their legs and abdomen, forming a bright golden dust coat. Leafcutter ants of the species Polyrhachis lemolidens attach tiny green leaf fragments to their backs for camouflage. Caddisfly larvae spin silk and bind sand, twigs, and plant pieces into portable underwater cases they carry as homes. Bagworm caterpillars construct silk shelters covered with twigs and foliage, which they carry while they feed. Treehoppers wear exaggerated thorn-shaped pronotums that mimic twigs, making them blend into their host plants. Mud dauber wasps build mud pots and line their brood chambers with a smooth mud coating for protection. Ground beetles often coat their backs with bits of leaf litter and soil, creating a dusty disguise. Lichenid butterfly caterpillars secrete a sugary coating that attracts protective ants, forming a mutualistic partnership. Scale insects excrete a waxy shell that envelops their bodies like a frosted protective coat,